Trouble sleeping?
You're here with a mission, sir? Trying to get me back in the world?
Trying to save it.
Director Fury, I think it's time.
Doctor, I'll need you to come in.
What if I say no?
I'll persuade you.
I thought I didn't qualify. Apparently I'm, volatile, self-obsessed, and don't play well with others.
You have no idea what you're dealing with. We are at war. It's called the Avengers Initiative. You threaten my world with war. You might not be glad that you did.
By the fear. Let's do a head count. A couple of the master assassins.
The demigod.
The super soldier. And you've managed to piss off every single one of us. I have an army. We have a Hulk.
Gentlemen, you're up.
If we can't protect the Earth, you can be damn sure we'll avenge it. Sure about this?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
I still believe in heroes.
The Avengers. That's what we call ourselves. Earth's mightiest heroes type thing.